Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto chicken parmesan in the air fryer. Okay, let's get started with our keto chicken parmesan. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. We've got our chicken breast cutlets already prepared. I've got 6 here. I'm probably only going to be able to fit 4 on my air fryer tray, which, you know, that's fine. But if you can't find chicken cutlets in the grocery store, what I do is I just buy whole chicken breasts and I cut them in half lengthwise. I give instructions for that in the recipe post. But we're going to go ahead and get these in the air fryer. So the first thing we want to do is I'm going to dredge my chicken in, I've got half and half here. This is an experiment. I have never done this before. I've heard you can use heavy cream or half and half, or milk or whatever, because especially for people who are allergic to eggs. My husband is allergic to eggs, so I'm going to put them in half and half instead of eggs. I've also got a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, or shredded Parmesan cheese. This is the cheese that you want for this recipe. It's going to create a nice crust on the chicken. The powdered Parmesan, it really wouldn't work as well. I really like the crust that this creates. So we're going to add this to a shallow bowl. I've got half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You can put this in the milk or the egg, or you can put this in the Parmesan. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the Parmesan and stir it up. Okay, we've got our 2 dredging stations, super simple. So now I'm just going to take my piece of chicken and dredge it in the Parmesan. And these are big chicken cutlets, so you might need more Parmesan, just depending on how big your chicken is. So we want to pack it on there. These are huge. And press it in. And then we're going to go straight to the air fryer tray. I've got my air fryer tray lined with foil, and I sprayed the foil with cooking spray. If you had an air fryer basket, you would want to do the same. I mean, you could just oil your basket so it doesn't stick, but I don't know, this is just for easier cleanup. So I'm going to continue to do this. I'm probably going to be able to fit 3 of these on my tray because these are so big. Okay, I'm going to put these in the air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes on each side. Okay, our chicken Parmesan chicken is out of the air fryer and it looks so good. It's almost up to temperature. I used a meat thermometer to check it. So we're going to add some marinara sauce on top of the chicken. And then we're going to stick it back in the air fryer to melt the cheese. These chicken breasts were so huge. These were chicken breast halves. So each one of these would feed 2 people. So I'm going to put extra cheese on each one. This is just sliced mozzarella. You could use fresh mozzarella. You could use shredded mozzarella, whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to put these back in the air fryer for just a few minutes for the cheese to melt. That's all you've got to do. Okay, our air fryer chicken looks amazing. Air fryer chicken Parmesan. So let's put one of these on our plate. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's spoon a little bit more marinara on top because you just need to. Now let's cut into this. I just want to show you how juicy this chicken is. We've got this amazing gooey cheese. Look at that. It's so juicy. And it's going to have so much flavor from all of that cheese and all of that marinara sauce. Juicy. Oh, it's gonna be hot. I mean, look at this amazingness. It is so good. You guys have got to try this. Check it out. Let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.